Slow septic tank filling after pumping is usually a sign that something's not quite right with your plumbing or maybe even a leak you didn't catch. So, first off, after you get your septic tank pumped, you want to watch how fast it fills back up. If it's slow, check for leaks around your pipes or tank area because water escaping can mess with the whole system. Make sure your drain field isn't clogged or oversaturated, since that can slow down the flow too. Another thing is to inspect your plumbing vent stack on the roof, because if it's blocked, it can cause slow drainage and weird noises. Keep an eye on water usage too. If you're using less water than usual, it might just take longer to fill. Also, check for any broken or cracked pipes underground. These can leak and cause slow fill times. It's smart to schedule regular septic inspections to catch problems early before they get worse. And if you're unsure about any of this, get a pro to look it over so you don't end up with a bigger headache later. One of the biggest issues with slow septic tank filling after pumping is unnoticed leaks in the plumbing system, which can waste water and damage your yard. Fix this by looking for wet spots or soggy soil and getting those leaks repaired fast. Another common problem is a clogged or failing drain field that stops water from absorbing properly. You can fix this by reducing water use and having a septic expert evaluate if repairs or replacements are needed. Lastly, blocked vent pipes can cause slow drainage and weird smells. Clearing debris or calling a plumber to clean the vent usually solves this quickly. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who need their skills for home projects.